So let's come back to exercise 11C, which is about tangent perpendicular to radius. So I've asked you to do a few exercise on level 2 problems last Friday, but I found that there are a few of them, okay, that requires some special techniques, okay, but the others will be just very straightforward, okay. I am sure that you can able to do it yourselves, okay, for the other level 2 problems. So I just pick 3 of them to talk about during the lesson, okay. So I'm going to talk about question number 19, 23, and 26 of exercise 11C. Okay, so let's turn to page 11.32.嗱呢度咧我唔夠時間講晒咁多題㗎啦，咁就我揀咗幾題咧，即係比較特別啲嘅，未學過未必會自己諗到嘅。OK 嘅題啊，咁你聽聽咯噃。Number 19. Are you ready? Number 19. So in figure, AB is the tangent to the circle at C. Angle BOA is 90 degrees. OB is 12, OA is 16. Find the length of AB. Part A is actually easy. So we have a triangle OAB being a right angle triangle. And then we have length 1 to be 12, length 2 to be 16. And the question just asks us to find the length of the third side. Okay? Because it's already given that it's a right angle triangle. So we may use the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the third side. So that's like this. AB squared is equal to 12 squared plus 16 squared. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay? And then if you use the calculator, so it will be, so AB will be just equal to 20. Okay? And there is no unit for this. And then part B. So what I really want to talk about is part B. So please put a star in part B. 好，呢題咧打星落去啊。好中意問呢一個圖案嘅，得唔得？呢個好中意問嘅。咁你記住，我陣會教兩個方法，咁都係一啲即係未必會自己諗到嘅方法啊。OK， part B。嗱，不過第一樣嘢，我哋頭先咧未用到 tangent 呢樣嘢嘅。AB is the tangent to the circle at C, and OC is the radius, right? Okay, first, so we may write down OC is perpendicular to AB first, because tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, which means that angle OCB and angle OCA are both equal to 90 degrees. Tangent perpendicular to radius. So I just found that just prove that this is 90 degrees. And of course, the other one is also 90 degrees. Okay? 好，嗱呢度我頭先想講啦，有兩個 method 嘅 ，method one、method two 咧都需要寫呢個先嘅。OK， 好啦 ，method one。I'm going to show that triangle OCOI and triangle ACO, these two little triangles are actually similar triangles. OK， 呢一個咧，我懷疑我上學期嘅時候咧都有講過嘅。OK，and I'm going to let one of the angle to be theta. Okay, so please follow. Please write this down. I'm going to let angle BOC to be theta. And then I'm going to express some other angles in terms of theta. Okay, so I have let angle BOC be theta. Then, so obviously, angle COA is equal to 90 degrees minus theta, right? COA. Can you see? 嗱，記住呢幾個 step 喎，點啊？即係每次一見到呢一個圖案咧，就係用呢幾個 step 咧就可以做到㗎啦。This one is 90 degrees minus theta, but in triangle BOC, I have proved that this is a 90 degrees, this is theta. So the third angle is also 90 degrees minus theta. So then it's like this. Angle OBC is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus theta, which is also equal to 90 degrees minus theta. OK？ 好，抄過嚟先啊。即係話咧，我啱啱 show 咗邊兩隻係搞到玩 theta 咧？第一就係 angle AOC。COA 即係呢隻啦，藍色呢一隻 ，OK，and then angle OBC is this one， okay. Both of them are equal to 90 degrees minus theta, and then I can show that actually there are three similar triangles. Let me write this down. In triangle BOA, the large triangle, and triangle BCO, and triangle OCA. 嗱，今次我一次過 prove 三個嘅 similar triangles 啊。Angle BOA is equal to angle BCO is equal to angle OCA because they are both equal to 90 degrees. Can you see this? 三隻都係九十度嚟嘅，即係細嗰兩個三角形啦，同埋成個三角形。而家係想 prove 呢三個三角形咧，都係 similar triangles 嚟嘅。OK， 好啦，跟住咁咧，我陣會講藍色嘅角嘅，藍色嘅角啊，喺 triangle BOA 裏邊。就係 angle OBA，OK？ 嗱，記住我啲英文字母咧寫出嚟嘅時候咧，就已經要係啱嘅次序，即係用你想證明係 similar triangles 或者係 congruent triangles 嘅時候咧，寫出嚟嘅時候就已經要啱次序啦。triangle BOA 裏邊嘅 angle OBA， 我想講藍色嘅角㗎而家，跟住啦 triangle BCO 裏邊係咪應該係 angle CBO？Okay, angle CBO. And then for the corresponding angle in triangle OCA will be angle COA. Okay, because they are both equal to 90 degrees minus theta. These three angles are all equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, and now in each triangle, we have already shown that two of the corresponding angles are equal to each other. Therefore, it is sufficient for us to conclude that they are similar triangles. 記住咧，我哋用AAA 嚟到 prove similar triangles 嘅時候咧，唔使真係寫晒三隻角出嚟嘅，兩隻角嘅話咧已經足夠寫 AAA 㗎啦。 OK， 咁而家係咪已經足夠啦？即係話咧，我可以 conclude that triangle BOA is similar to triangle BCO, is similar to triangle OCA, and reason is AAA. Okay, let me paste it here first. 上啲啊 ，OK， 好啦，咁嘅時候咧，睇先啊，咁我會用咧呢個 triangle BOA and triangle BCO，OK？ Because these two triangles are similar, therefore BO over BC is equal to OA, OA over CO, and is equal to BA over BO. Is it okay? This is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, 我淨係用咗頭兩個啫，而家。每次你 prove 完 similar triangles 之後咧，你都可以咁樣寫翻出嚟嘅。OK， 跟翻啲邊長嗰啲嘅名嘅次序寫出嚟之後咧，我就可以喺幅圖裏邊咧，我哋揾翻即係你有數字嗰啲咧，就可以即係填翻落去啦。BO is 12, and then BC is unknown, and then OA is 16, CO is unknown, and then BA has been found to be 20, and BO is 12. Can you see this? 好啦，嗱，跟住咧，咁好簡單啦。題目叫我哋揾啲咩咧 ？OC 係咪？咁我哋而家咧 OC 已經係冧咗落嚟啦。OK，enforce 咗佢啦。咁我哋要一條 equation 係淨係得 OC 係未知數嘅。咁我哋攞呢度咧，中間呢一棟同埋右邊呢一棟，去到變成一條 equation 嘅話咧，係咪應該就係揾到 OC 啊 ？OK， 即係我唔使你前面嗰度啦，就係攞中間同埋後邊呢一個等式。係咪就可以計到 OC 啊 ？Okay, so I just choose the middle column and the column on the right, and then I can find OC. OC should be equal to like this. 幾多應該？睇先啊。Is it 9.6? So that is the answer. 咩啊？ And this is method one. 嗱 ，method one 咧就係呢度永遠都可以咁樣做嘅。我想你認住幅圖係咩圖咧？睇緊幅圖啊，就係咧，如果有一個直角三角形，跟住咧喺直角個位畫多條線係垂直落去另外嗰邊個底，即係個斜邊嗰度嘅。OK， 咁嘅時候咧，我就會有呢三個直角三角形。呢三個直角三角形咧，永遠都係 similar triangles 嚟嘅。OK， can you get my idea? Okay, so the diagram is like this. When you have a right angle triangle, and at the right angle point, you draw a line perpendicular to the hypotenuse. Then in this diagram, there will be three similar triangles. OK， 好用嘅呢一個，因為咧佢通常咧喺 MC 嗰度出嘅話咧，你就唔使 prove 咁多嘢嘅。你記住佢哋三個咧係 similar triangles 嘅話咧，咁就可以用到多嘢㗎啦。OK， 得唔得？好啦，但係我仲有 method two。So I think method two is actually much simpler. 咩啊 ？Method two will be just one line, just one line. 呢個係咩啊？呢個 method one。你係咩啊 ？Yes. I'm going to use area. Very good. 好，非常好啊！有同學已經諗到啦。Method 2 is like this. I'm going to find the area of triangle BOA. Triangle BOA. Okay. Because triangle BOA is a right angle triangle, when I use OA as the base, then OB will be the height. Okay, so that is like this. Base times height divided by 2. But at the same time, if I use AB as the base, then OC will be the height. Okay? So it can also be expressed as A, that is 20 times OC divided by 2. Can you get my idea? So I expressed the area of triangle BOA in 2 different methods, 2 different formats. But both of them are representing the area of triangle BOA. So these 2 expressions should be equal to each other. Okay? 即係話咧，我用兩個唔同嘅方法去到計呢個正確三角形嘅面積。OK？ 如果我用 OA 做底嘅時候咧 ，OB 就係高啦，係嘛？咁咪底乘高除2啦。但係如果你用 AB 做底嘅時候咧 ，OC 係咪個高嚟㗎？因為佢咁啱又係垂直嗰個斜邊㗎嘛，係嘛 ？OK？ 咁嘅時候咧，亦都係底乘高除2喎。呢度咧，我哋係用咗兩個唔同嘅方法去到代表個面積啦。咁所以佢哋咧，因為代表緊相同嘅嘢嘅，所以佢哋呢兩個 expressions 咧會係一模一樣嘅。咁我哋係咪即係列到條式出嚟啊？呢條式裏邊咧只係得 OC 呢個未知數嘅嚇，咁我哋就可以計到 OC 啦。OK？ So OC will be equal to, it's like 16 times 12 divided by 20, which is 9.6. Okay, so this is method 2. Yes, just one line, one step. It's okay. 嗱，兩個方法都要記咗佢哋啊，因為咧有陣時係未必用到呢一個嘅 ，OK 得。有陣時係用 similar triangles 個方法咧會係好啲嘅。OK。All right, next one. Question number 23. So in the figure, O is the common center of 2 concentric circles. PQ is the chord of the larger circle and it touch the smaller circle at S. 嗱，記唔記得我講過咧？如果一條線咧係 touch 個 circle 嘅話咧，即係嗰條線就係嗰個 circle 嘅 tangent 嚟嘅，明唔明啊 ？Okay, so PQ is the tangent of the smaller circle, and the point of contact is S. Okay. And then R is a point on the larger circle such that OSR are collinear. Collinear means it is a straight line. Okay. And then PQ is 90, RS is 25. Find the radii of the 2 circles. I want to find the 2 radius. Okay. 好，嗱呢度睇睇咯。First, OS is a radius of the smaller circle, and then PQ is a tangent to the smaller circle. So tangent should be perpendicular to radius, right? So angle OSP should be equal to 90 degrees. This is tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay, just prove that this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, because PQ, so in the larger circle, PQ is a chord, and O is the center. Now I have joined the center and I have drawn a line from center perpendicular to chord. So it will be bisecting the chord, which means that PS and SQ should be equal to each other, right? Okay, so I'm going to write this down first because OS is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, I can say that PS is equal to SQ, and they are both equal to half of PQ. PQ is 90, so it should be like this. And this is line from center, perpendicular to chord, bisects chord. Okay, so they are both equal to 45. 好啦，而家有啲咩啦？有呢一個咧就係45啦，係嘛？呢個咧45啦，跟住 RS is 25. This one is 25. The question asks us to find the radii. Okay, so that is the larger radius and the smaller radius. Okay， 好啦，嗱睇睇咯，今次咧我哋要let一啲嘢嘅。I'm going to let capital R to be the radius of the larger circle. Okay, so let R and small r be the radius of the larger circle and that of the smaller circle, respectively. Okay， 即係大街 R 就係大 circle 嘅radius， 細街 R 就係細 circle 嘅radius。You get this？ OK， 好啦，咁我哋而家有啲咩資料咧？睇住咯。OQ is capital R, is big R, right? OS is small r. Can you see this? OQ is big R, OS is small r, and SQ is 45. So in this right-hand triangle, I can use the Pythagoras theorem to relate them together. So that is like this. 嗱，我寫埋個關係出嚟啊。So OQ square is equal to OS square plus SQ square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, OQ will be capital R, and then OS will be small r plus 45 square here. Okay, and I'm going to put the small r square to the left hand side. And this is 2025. And I can also factorize the left hand side. Okay, and I'm going to label this to be equation 1. Get this? 好啦，呢度圖裏邊嘅資料我哋用咗個45啦，仲有個25未用喎。RS is 25. Okay, but what is RS? RS is actually the difference between OR and OS. That is the big R. Big R is OR. Small r is OS, right? Okay, so 25 should be equal to the big R minus small r. So that is like this. OR minus OS is equal to 25. So big R minus small r is equal to 25. So let me call this equation 2. Follow? So I know that big R minus R is equal to 25. Then I just put this 25 into this part. I can calculate big R plus R. Okay? Just substitute equation 2 into equation 1. And then we got this. Big R plus R. And then times 25 is equal to 2025. And then we just divide the 25 to the right-hand side, and I'll get big R plus small r is equal to 81. And call this equation 3. And from equation 2 and equation 3, we have two equations, two unknowns. Okay, so we can solve for the big R and small r respectively. Okay, and that will be the radii of the two circles. So 2 big R is equal to 106, which is R is equal to 53. And then small r will be equal to 28. Okay, therefore, the radii are 53 and 28 respectively. Okay. So I would like to talk about the final question tomorrow, and then I will start a new section tomorrow. Okay, so stand up. Goodbye, class.